Good morning, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please smash the like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my beautiful and one of my favourite affordable aviation watches from Casio. That is the GR B200, an absolute beast, a G-Shock. But today's video is a watch manufacturer, and a little interesting manufacturer from China that sell in particular on AliExpress, that have not been on my channel before, and they've done a really nice orange dial diver. And it's Duka or Duka. Wow, that is a dial. I've always wanted an orange dial watch, and when I saw this Homage, because that's what it is, even though I'm not going to state the watch that it's Homage from, but I think you know which watch it is. It was so striking, and I think it looks fantastic. I might actually take it on holiday this year. Just a little overview of the specs. So, little overview. This is the Duka DK-110 model reference. 44mm by 14mm thick nominal. Obviously, it's a diver. Well, it's classed as a diver, but it's only got 100-meter water resist. I'll let you decide whether you can dive with it or not. Synthetic sapphire crystal, and it looks pretty flush. Yeah. Dive bezel. Not bad action. Stainless steel, obviously 316 stainless. Fully solid stainless steel bracelet with deployant clasp, no safety, and with only, and that's a bit of a funny mechanism, but it might be because I've got the plastic still on, with only, I think, one adjustment. Let it just focus on that. Yeah, one micro adjust, but it is a dive extension. That's a bit disappointing though, how it doesn't have more micro adjusts. The sale, the listing had marketing pictures that showed it with a deployant, with a safety catch, and with about 3 or 4 micro adjust settings. So that is a little bit disappointing, but it doesn't feel too heavy either, which is good. It feels quite light. The 44mm, you have to understand, on this style of case, it's nothing basically. I'll just put it on my wrist anyway to show you. That looks pretty striking. I love the handset and the way the indices are. Yeah, it feels, I wouldn't call it light, but I wouldn't call it heavy either. It's a little bit lighter than my Marine Star, or similar to my beloved Marine Star. I wouldn't let the 44mm put you off, because it's not got a big supporting case. And just on my wrist then, it didn't feel top heavy. It felt fine. So this is a Duka. As I said, they're a Chinese manufacturer. They make some homages. The dial, if you notice there, has a weird texture to it. They've put a kind of interesting texture on the back there against that orange, just to add some extra depth. Yeah, it looks like there's some like footprints on it. So anyway, I'll get this on my wrist, and I can't wait to do a full review of it. When I saw the orange on it, you can get it in different colours if you don't like the in-your-face orange, but I just thought, I've not got an orange watch dial. I've not got an orange dial watch. And I just thought the price that I could pick it up at less than at the time in the sale of a couple of weeks ago. Oh, actually last week. I just thought with the price that I can get this thing at, less than 70 GBP in the sale from last week, I just thought I have to get it. So I picked it up, and it does look, for looks, I can tell you straight up now, it does look really good in person, probably more than it might do on camera. And I like the fact it has the H-Link bracelet. Obviously, it's got plastic on now, which I'll take off for the review. But I do like the H-Link bracelets. If you've never worn them before, they feel very similar to a 3-link, but it's nice to have not just a standard 3-link bracelet now and again. They're very comfortable, and they support the head of the watch good. I'm just a bit disappointed about, so far, just about that clasp being different to what they've shown on the marketing pictures. I don't know why they've done that. I don't know if on the original models of this watch, maybe, because it's a new watch as far as I'm aware, they intended to have it, or they did supply it with the different clasp. Again, it's not a big it, but I'll struggle to get a perfect fit with it if you can only have, you know, those links, which are not going to be that adjustable, and 1 or 2 settings there. But anyway, let's have a look what happens. So I'll get it on my wrist. Can't wait to review it. It's been Dave. Thanks for checking my channel out. There's an affiliate link down below. If you did want to make a purchase, obviously I'd suggest waiting for the review. But it is a cheap watch for what you're getting, and I would make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. It's been Dave. There's loads more watches coming up. Cheers.